Hey everyone, my name's Colton, and today we're going to compare the O3Elite Ozone Generators to help you find the right one for your needs. These generators include the O3Elite Mini, O3Elite Single, and O3Elite Dual Ozone Generators. Let's start with the O3Elite Mini. This is our most basic unit, offering a few options for ozone concentrations, but it's incredibly simple to operate. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, and its streamlined setup means you can take it anywhere with ease. If you're looking for something basic and portable, the O3Elite Mini is an excellent choice. Next, we have the O3Elite Single, which is our most popular model. It offers a versatile range of ozone concentrations, giving you more flexibility than the O3Elite Mini. This model is ideal for most home therapies, making it a great option for a variety of ozone treatments. With its updated power button and dial system, you can easily control the ozone output for precise treatments in the comfort of your own home. Then there's the O3Elite Dual. This is the most powerful option in the O3Elite lineup, thanks to its boost mode function that activates a secondary cell, allowing for a higher ozone output range. This makes the O3Elite Dual perfect for all therapies, including ozone saunas, and it's the best option if you need the highest ozone concentration and output. If you're interested in the professional grade O3 Arc Plus, which offers even more customization and advanced features, we recommend checking out our video on that unit for a deeper dive. No matter which model you choose, each O3Elite generator is designed for easy use and efficiency. Whether you're looking for something more compact and basic, or something with a more powerful output, there's an O3Elite generator that's perfect for your needs. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information, and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.